Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see some most commonly used greeting in English. Most commonly used greetings in English. Friends, when we meet someone, we warmly greet them by using polite words. Greetings are the formal expression of goodwill said on meetings or in a written messages. Greetings give a good start to conversation. And so in this video we are going to see some most commonly used greeting in English. Before start our video, as usual, I am request you to subscribe my channel. So the first one is hello. We can say hello for greetings someone. Second one is hi. Third one is how are you. Then hello, how are you? How have you been? It's nice to meet you. When we meet someone and greet them, then we can say it's nice to meet you, nice to see you, it's pleasure to meet you, it's pleasure to meet you, it's been a long time we met, it's been a long time we met, how nice to meet you, how nice to see you again. Next greeting we should use, that is hi there, what's up, what's new. Then what's going on, we can say what's going on whenever we meet someone and greet them. What's going on in this way. Then how is your day going? How is your day going? How do you do? How do you do? How are you things? How are you things? Or how are things? I am pleased to see you. I am pleased to see you. I am glad to meet you. I am glad to meet you. Are you fine? Are you okay? In this way we can use this type of greetings when we meet someone. So if you like this video, please like this video. In the next video we will see some other expression in English that we use. Till then, goodbye.